Dear learners, welcome to MSBT online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in the most attractive digital format for the course name Digital Techniques. The course code for the same is 22320. I am Mrs. Rita Vora, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department from Thakur Polytechnic, Mumbai. So today we will be covering one more interesting module of number systems and codes, 2's complement method of subtraction. What shall we learn today? The contents are 2's complement introduction, 2's complement of a binary number, 2's complement in signed binary number representation, steps to perform in order to carry out subtraction using 2's complement, examples of subtraction using 2's complement, application of 2's complement. This shows the concept map. There are two types of complement, 1's complement and 2's complement. 1's complement was covered in the previous lecture, which is obtained by inverting the bits. For 2's complement, it can be obtained by taking 1's complement plus 1. The learning objectives are to apply 2's complement method for subtraction. Introduction to 2's complement. 2's complement is a mathematical operation on binary numbers and is an example of a radix complement. It is used in computing as a method of signed number representation. So wherever signed number representation is required, 2's complement is used. In comparison to other systems, say for example 1's complement, 2's complement has got more advantages because the fundamental arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication are identical in case of 2's complement as it is for unsigned binary numbers. And this property makes this system more simpler to implement, especially when it is a case of higher precision arithmetic. How can we find 2's complement of a binary number? For the 2's complement of the binary number, you have to add 1 to the least significant bit of 1's complement of the number. Consider the example shown over here. You can see the original binary value is 011011110. The 1's complement is obtained by inverting the zeros by 1 and the 1 by 0. So you get 10010001. This is your 1's complement. When you add 1 to the 1's complement, you will get 10010010, and this is your 2's complement. Let us find 2's complement of 3-bit binary numbers. The table here shows binary number 1's complement and 2's complement from binary number 000 to 111. Now take the first example. The binary number is 000. 1's complement is inverting the bits, which gives us 111. And 2's complement is adding 1 to the LSB of 1's complement, which will give you 1000. But since it's a 3-bit representation, you ignore the carry. So 2's complement will be 000. Similarly, take the example of 001. 1's complement inverting the bits gives you 110. And when you add a 1 to the LSB of your 1's complement, you get 111. So in this table, you can see the representation of the binary number in 1's complement form and 2's complement form. 2's complement in signed binary number representation. For positive numbers, you can simply represent as a simple binary representation. Take an example of decimal number 2. In binary representation, it will be 0010. But what if the number is negative? Then we make use of 2's complement. So signed binary number representation can be done with the help of 2's complement. Here you can see in the example that you have a 5-bit register. So 4 bits gives you the magnitude and the 5th bit gives you the sign bit. So if the sign bit is 1, then you are representing a negative number. And if the sign bit is 0, you are representing a plus, a positive number. So look in the example over here. You have 5. When written in binary, it is 0101. The sign bit shows 0. So this is the representation of plus 5. But if you want to represent minus 5, you have to take 2's complement of 0, 1, 0, 1. That is how you can represent a signed binary number. So 0, 1, 0, 1's 2's complement gives you 1, 0, 1, 1. And the sign bit here will be 1, which shows that this is the representation of minus 5. So sign bit is 1, then it is a negative number. When the sign bit is 0, it is a positive number. So what is the range of the numbers that is covered? Say for a k-bit register, the positive largest number that can be stored will be 2 to the power k minus 1. And the negative lowest number that can be stored will be minus 2 to the power k minus 1. So if we have a 4-bit register, the positive largest number that can be stored will be 7. And the negative lowest number that can be stored will be minus 8. One advantage of this system is that 0 can be represented by only one way. There is only one representation of 0 for whether you say minus 0 or plus 0. And here it is shown that you can represent magnitude of 0 by 0, 0, 0, 0 and the sign bit is also 0. So there is only one representation of 0. And this is unique or it is unambiguous representation. Steps to perform subtraction of binary numbers using 2's complement. So here you can see the step 1 will be to first take 2's complement of the subtrahend. The next step will be to add it to the minuend, which means you add minuend to 2's complement of subtrahend. Step 3 will be if the result gives you a final carry of 1, then you drop the carry and the result is positive. And step 4 will be if there is no carry, then the answer is negative and it is in the 2's complement form. So these are the 4 steps which we have to perform for subtraction using 2's complement method. Now let's take the quiz. Attempt MCQ set 1. Consider the example. Let us take the example where a smaller number is to be subtracted from a larger number. So take the example of 54 to the base 10 minus 22 to the base 10. As you can see, first you convert 54 to the base 10 to the binary form, which is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. You convert 22 to the base 10 to its binary form, so it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. But as you can see, in the subtrahend and the minuend, the number of bits are not equal. So as step 1, you need to add a 0 so that the number of bits in the subtrahend and the minuend becomes equal. Step 2 will be take 2's complement of 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So here the subtrahend was only 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. But since the number of bits were not equal, a 0 is added at the MSB. And hence the 2's complement of 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. As step 2, you have to add the minuend and the subtrahend, which gives the result as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and a carry of 1. In step 3, we have to drop the carry so that the result of the subtraction is positive and it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now consider the example where a larger number is to be subtracted from a smaller number. The example here is 10110 minus 11010. So as you can see, 11010 is a larger number and 10110 is a smaller number. Step 1 will be again 2's complement of 11010. That is obtained by taking 1's complement and adding 1 to the LSB. It comes to 00110. Step 2 will be to add the minuend and 2's complement of subtrahend. So after the addition, as you can see, 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 with a carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. And there is no carry generated over here. So in step 3, as there is no carry, the result of the subtraction is negative, and it is obtained by writing the 2's complement of this answer. So it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1. So the 2's complement comes to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So the final answer will be with a minus sign 1, 0, 0 in the binary form. Take one more example. Here it is 10100.01 minus 11011.10. So it is a example with a binary point. Again, step 1 is to take 1's complement of 11011.10, and that is 00100.10. Again in step 2, you add the minute and the 2's complement of subtrahend, and what you get is 11000.11. Again, as you can see, there is no carry generated. So in step 3, as there is no carry over the result of subtraction, the result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. So if you take the 2's complement of this, it comes to 00111.01. So your final answer is with a minus sign 00111.01 binary number. What is the application of 2's complement? We saw it is used in signed binary arithmetic. There are other various uses of 2's complement of binary numbers, mainly in signed binary number representation and also in other arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and so on. Since 2's complement representation is unambiguous, as we saw that 0 can be represented by only one way, whether you consider minus 0 or plus 0, it can be considered only, there is only one representation for 0. So it is particularly useful in computer number representations. So these are the application of 2's complement. To summarize, 2's complement of a binary number is obtained by adding 1 to 1's complement of the number. Negative numbers can be represented by 2's complement. And this method is most common method for representation of signed integers or numbers. 2's complement method can be used for subtraction of 2's number. If the two numbers are in another number system, they first need to be converted into binary number system, and then the steps for 2's complement method can be used for subtraction. Let's take the quiz. Attempt MCQ set 2. Thank you.